Today is February 10th, 2026. I'm on the roof of the Corirossi family in Sun City, Arizona. I'm going to be doing we see a lot of wind creased and damaged shingles, and I'm going to be doing a repair attempt on this one. We see a large crease throughout the entirety of the shingle. The tools I'll be using is a soft nose putty knife, flat bar, magnetic roofing hammer, roofing snake, an 1.25" per code roofing nails. First, I want to make sure you guys are set up so you guys can view the work that takes place. Okay, I believe that should give us a good angle. What we have here is we have a dimensional shingle. The shingle has a large crease throughout the entirety of it. It's been flopping around in the wind. Looks like it starts here and it ends here. So what I want to make sure is that it's separated 100% from the material that binds it to the books beneath it. Pretty simple. This one's been flopping. Now we have the book above it. We have two books above it. I need to make sure that they're separated from the material that holds it to the damaged book. So we'll use our soft nose putty knife for that. Be gentle and work our way across. In Arizona, these things just kind of mat together. You don't want to rip or tear anything. This one is just really stuck, and it's really thin right here. You don't want to tear through or rip this. You don't want to damage the above books at all. Just go really slowly. Oh man, this is just really stuck. I can see how thin it is right here. So thin. Gotta be really careful. Alright. I didn't think I was gonna get that. Still stuck quite a bit though. There we go. All right, I believe that we have the shingle book released. Now I'm going to remove it from the decking. Work our way from one side to the other. Now we'll work to get the back free. Okay, we do have our shingle book removed. Now I'm going to do an inspection of the underlayment to make sure that we have a clean and clear surface for a reinsertion. Looks like we do. So I'll take the same shingle. I'm going to line it back up in a place where it was. I'm going to work to get it back. Reinsert it. As you can see right here, first of all, there's a large tear. That's mat transfer. You see it right here. This piece of material is now stuck underneath here to this bottom shingle. That's because the Arizona sun just mats these things together. All right, it looks like we are back in place. Now I'm going to take my recommended roofing snake. The reason why we use the roofing snake is so we don't have to lift these two books more than necessary to get an appropriate nail strike. So I'm going to start on one end of the shingle. I'm going to take my 1.25" per code roofing nails. I'm going to start on one end of the shingle. Make sure that we're lined up in the nail strip. We are. see a small indentation fracture there from the roofing snake. That's pretty common, but fractures are bad. They eventually spread and deteriorate the shingle. Go over here, right in the middle. That's 2. And now I'm going to come all the way over here to the end. 3. All right, we have our shingle book back in place, but I noticed this tooth is 100% delaminated. It's also separated from the book right here. Effectively, this book now, the bottom piece, this piece right here, is no longer attached to the top. I also see right here, this corner of this tooth is fully delaminated. Stretches about 2 inches. You see a mark here from the roofing snake. Oh, this corner here as well, about 2 inches, is delaminated, and another mark from the roofing snake there. Because of these defects, what happens when the teeth aren't fully laminated, the book is built in 2 parts, and it starts to shift and separate, fall apart. The actual book falls apart. Because of this delaminated tooth, the beginning of delamination on this tooth and this tooth, the indentation from the roofing snake, and the mat transfer, I have to deem this roof irreparable.